Hey, Nick Hutchinson here at MarineMax Clearwater, and today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on our 230 Outrage, which is one of our best-selling boats. Great all-around boat, single engine for great fuel economy, but still gets up and runs along plenty quick. It's also small enough that you can trailer it and keep it in a lot of those smaller marinas that have a 24-foot maximum size. Coming around to the port side here, you can see that this boat is set up very well for fishing. You've got a raw water bait box that circulates. You've got a couple rod holders off the back for trolling. Then your rear seat folds up quickly and easily for a knee bolster as well. Moving up to the helm here. Above we've got multiple rod holders for storage. We've got a convertible seat bolster there as well for standing up while you're driving. Easy access to the bow with lots of seating as well and additional rod storage. One of my other favorite things about this boat is how easy it is to get on and off and move around for the size. As you can see, you have an easy walk through here on the side and plenty of room to walk around both sides of the boat and get up to the front. Coming back to the helm, we've got electronic throttle control, dual trim tabs, nice stainless steel steering wheel with a speed handle. You got your fusion radio, comes with it, and plenty of room for whatever kind of chart plotter you'd like to install. Taking a closer look at the center console, we've got a side door that opens up to the head as well as your electrical room. This is a very nice location to have your battery cut off because not only is it convenient, but everything stays very dry. Finally, taking a step back and looking at the profile, this boat has got gorgeous lines. It's really just an all-around good-looking boat. If you have any more questions, please feel free to give me a call, 303-875-3988. Thanks.